it's Brooke with WTI.
And if you're looking to upgrade your blinds, try this by Yoolax.
Alexa, close blinds. Okay.
This is their smart wood blinds that I'm loving so much because now I can open my blinds with voice control. It took me a while to get on board, but I love how easy it is, and I can multitask and open or close my blinds, and it's so much easier. It's compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and it comes with everything that I need to set it up to my smart device. This has a really nice wood slats panels that are made so well. I also like this material. I can tell they did a great job with creating a beautiful blinds set for me. I have an inside mount, which I think is perfect. They measured it accurately. So I gave them my measurements and they fit like a dream. It comes with solar panels, which is so nice. I can attach that by setting that inside behind my blinds so that my blinds can get charged. My windows here get a lot of sun, so this is such a practical way for me to keep my blinds charged. I also like that this has just an elegant, seamless design. I can adjust the bottom if it's one side that I need opened a little bit more. I also have a timing control. It has the remote controls. I could open it manually. Up at the valance, there's a button. It also charges inside the valance with that solar. And all of the materials are really perfect and come in handy. They sure make sure they give me everything.
I love these blinds, but that's just my point of view.